OpenDoors offered a fantastic path to high-quality education in Russia, and I chose Polytech because of its strong scientific legacy, and especially in the field of molecular biology and the interdisciplinary program with options in English language. There's also the focus on innovation and applied science, which perfectly matched my goals in translational research. Well, winning the OpenDoors Scholarship was a major turning point for me, especially because it's validated my hard work, and it truly opened the door to advanced academic opportunities here in Russia. So, talking about the preparation, it's felt like a professional project for me. The planning, the mock tests, and the parts where I had to refine my research pitch and all of that. So it was quite a bit of work for me. I'm diving into the field of molecular cancer diagnostics, specifically developing biomarkers. So what excites me most is the translational potential. Seeing how our laboratory discoveries could impact real-world diagnostics and therapies. So another thing is I think the research infrastructure here is quite excellent, very excellent. Yeah, definitely. There's a very strong emphasis on research, and I would say the professors are very available, and another thing is the cultural richness is very incredible. The school's international student support, especially during the process of admission and settling in, it was very fantastic. And yes, the winter. Well, it took some adjusting to. Yeah, it took some adjusting to. Well, for those planning to come in, I would advise that you start early and be very strategic. That is very important. I think it's very important that you also showcase your unique research interests. You try to engage with the school's laboratories and publications. Don't hesitate to reach out to past winners for guidance. You will really need that. And it is also important that you treat the Olympiad like it's like the opportunity that it is. It's a very big opportunity, and it's good that you treat it as such. Oh yeah, that would be the Avtovo metro station. It's a very nice place to be. It's always like you're stepping into a palace. It's always a nice experience.